what did we get?
Biology.
Yeah, he's already licking his lips. He wants it. Let me see yours. Oh, let me.
It looks so good.
Ours is somewhere.
It does.
I'm a little excited. Definitely excited. Look at him.
He's like,
Um,
the smell.
Um.
But anybody like marinara sauce? I got
Thank
some
you. Oh,
extra.
I don't know if he's trying to eat the phone or wants to eat the pizza.
It's some marinara sauce.
That's what you do, right?
You need to introduce it.
I'm just kidding.
We're in Bakersfield. Well, I don't know if you
And
want
we're
to
having
say
a mini mukbang. Miss Carla, oh, but you're not frozen.
What? Oh no.
Baby, you're giving us up.
We got biology.
We're eating biology. Okay, what did we get, babe? Antonio, I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay.
The crust, what is the crust is what I mean.
Thick.
Oh!
Thick crust.
Okay, you have to take the pizza.
The way you say it makes me lose
Yeah,
my
it's the
appetite.
thickest one.
Wait, take this off. That looks
I
gross.
would
Thick
recommend
crust.
not to get it because it doesn't get. I feel like it doesn't get cooked all the way.
Well, that's the point if you like the pizza too.
I know, but I don't like it too late.
I didn't like it too.
Thick.
Antonio,
What's on here?
It's a thick crust with some garlic oil.
the
What was
marinara,
next?
then the
Mozzarella cheese, obviously. Marinara, obviously. Pepperoni, spicy sausage, spinach,
It tastes good, so shut up.
banana peppers,
I think that's it.
and
pepper.
salt, pepper, and chili flakes.
Banana peppers and artichokes are the best pizza toppings.
What'd you get, Jayla?
I got. I'm gonna show them.
No one cares!
You're being so rude.
Anyway. So basically, I got the artisan thin with green bell peppers, vegan cheese, plant-based meats, tomatoes, spinach, and garlic. No, a little bit of salt, pepper.
How's that train right there in the mouth of it?
And yup.
Now you curly
It's
fry?
delicious.
I got a pesto pizza with lots of veggies, and it's yummy.
I think it's almost all the veggies. Huh?
Almost maybe.
It looks good.
Wait, are we
I have
supposed
vegan
to?
cheese too.
I won't try it because I don't like it.
Are we supposed to tell
There's a lot of
stories in a
olives
mukbang?
So what do you do on a mukbang? And I guess I'm eating baby.
What is everyone doing on her Memorial weekend? Drop it in the comments.
Ooh, look at her.
Look
She's
at that.
getting better at this.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do say 2 truths and a lie. Go, Jayla. We have to guess your lie.
While we're eating?
Yeah. That's what mukbangs are, aren't they? They don't literally just.
Mukbangs are just inconveniencing yourself while you're eating and then telling people about the food.
Oh.
Let's be real, that's what that is.
Well, we can do 2 truths now.
Okay, yeah, let's inconvenience ourselves. Well, I'm trying to eat, but we want to talk about truths and lies. Let's talk about it.
The baby wants it.
Okay. So, I've been on TV. I've had a surgery before. And I'm from California.
You're obviously from California.
Who's
And if
answering?
Antonio
Because
doesn't
I
know
know.
the rest?
Yeah, because I know, but who's answering?
Isn't it? You've never had a surgery? You've never been on TV?
I've been on TV. I said I've been on TV.
Yeah. So
what's
you've
your
never.
lie?
Yeah, your lie is
Oh.
you've never had a surgery.
Oh, yeah, that's
oh
my lie.
God. Oh my god. 3 truths and a truth. For Jayla. Next.
So wait, they were all true?
No. I've never had surgery. That's
Yeah.
That's the lie.
Okay.
I'm not like
Let's see.
Bruh. Bruh.
Never seen a Dollar General.
Oh yeah.
I should do that one.
That would be. If you wouldn't have told us, I would have been like, that's definitely false. I've lived in 3 states.
You know what we should do?
What? Because this is hard. I don't know how to lie.
Well, because we know each other.
That's true.
So I was gonna say,
Antonio's like, I
we
know.
should do a sibling test.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. How?
What does that mean?
I
What?
don't know.
Okay. Well,
That would be a fun game.
Carla, how many
if we knew
tattoos
how to
do I
play
have?
the game, it'd be fun.
Let me count.
How many tattoos do I have?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You were on 1.
Which ones?
I have 2 right here.
No, that one counts as 1.
No, I got this one separate.
So?
Yes, because I got this one
It's
with
right
this
next to
one.
each other and it's themed the same.
This one's themed the same too, so I have only 1 right there.
No.
Are we going back and forth? Like, y'all go first and then we go?
Why are you trying to steal the point from us?
Okay.
From us, there's teams though.
Oh, so it's right. Oh, okay. So them against us. So if they get it right, okay.
Oh, damn. Let me see when you
We're actually taking a while to this, so there's gonna be its own separate video. It's gonna be our first mukbang road style edition.
Oh my god, it's been 6 minutes.
Oh,
and let's just...
oh.
Okay, so now you ask him. We didn't get a point because he
Because
didn't
you
know
stole it from me.
It doesn't matter any question.
Yeah, he has to get it right.
What high school did I go to?
Oh,
What?
no!
We're going for points. We're going for points.
Wait, it's me and her though.
Oh no!
Elsinore High
I
School.
take it back.
Oh yeah.
Ding!
Okay, I guess we got.
Ding!
He said we're teams and you're
No.
teams, so you're
Yes.
trying to trick each
How are you
other.
gonna do a sibling test and not be on your sibling's team?
So we're
Because
winning.
why would I try and trick her
We're
then if
winning.
it's
You're
a
not trying
sibling
to
test?
trick her.
No, we're
It's a
not.
sibling test,
We'll
though,
see
so
who
why would
knows
I-
the sibling better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're trying to trick him. So yeah, we're on the same
So we're
team.
on the same team.
Yeah, we
so
get
why
a
would I?
point. We get a point.
Yeah. So
No,
why would
no,
I?
it's
We
not.
get a point.
Why would I try and
No.
trick her?
It's which sibling pair is the better sibling pair.
Yeah.
Okay, then you come up.
exactly.
You guys have to come up with the questions for us, and we both answer.
Okay, well we got a point, so.
Okay, so no point. Start over.
Oh
Rewind.
my
Let's ask them. How many tattoos does Antonio have?
57.
Five.
No.
I could see more than
He
5
has
from right
8.
Well,
here.
because he got them grouped in
He
like
has
the
8.
same.
See, so it counts.
No, it's
He
8.
has them grouped the same.
No, it's 8 because I'll give you his left arm is supposed to be a sleeve, but I'll break that down into 2 because he got one
Oh,
way in
I
advance.
see.
We already talked about
No,
this.
but they were
And then
split
the
by
other
the
one.
same. They were by the same artist,
No, I don't think that
So?
that has had anything
and
to
they
do
were. No. Okay. Same artist, but it was supposed to be
No, but it's-
together.
I think
Okay,
that
fine.
It's the same concept as if like, oh, I'm gonna get a flower, and then oh, I'm gonna go put color to it. That's one tattoo. So if you have
Yeah,
a
but lightsabers are
lightsaber
so
and then
good.
you put a Yoda next
No.
to
Like,
it,
I'm
it's
not
the
even-
same
No, that's
tattoo.
different. But okay, I'll give you that. That could be one tattoo, but he does not have 5 because that's his whole sleeve is 1, his back is 2, this one's 3, that's 4, that's 5, and then his right here. Wait, oh shoot, what side is it? Is it right here? It's 6,
I thought
and then
this
this
one
his chest
together.
is 7.
You counted that
So he
already.
has 7. No.
Dylan down
I
had
thought
5.
these two. I thought these were together.
Okay, if you count that together, it's 6 still.
I'm done.
6.
Boom, ding.
Up,
point
out.
for us.
Okay. Ask him a hard question.
Where is it?
Because you know the both of them.
You
Let's
know,
see.
now you have to ask her a question or him a question.
No, they asked us a
No.
question.
Yeah.
Okay.
So come up with a question, Antonio.
We'll only go to 3 points because we're already at 9 minutes.
Okay. What is
Oh, careful. How about Jayla? How about
No, Antonio needs to ask it.
No, okay, if your question is
It's not
to
hard.
us, it's Kimberly towards me.
Okay.
Because that's not fair.
I don't see how it would be fair either. Like, it would be the same thing either way.
Let's ask it.
Okay, Kimberly, what is Carla's favorite color?
Green.
No.
Why would you not?
I'm
What
dumb.
is it?
It's pink!
Make sure you lean in
Since
so the
when?
camera can see you.
Since when? Since my hair was pink for a whole year?
That's when it turned to pink. Because remember, you
No.
liked green before.
Okay, green is my second favorite, so I'll give you that. But also, it's hard for me to pick a favorite color, but whenever I'm asked, I have to say pink.
Okay.
But I like green, pink, and orange.
You're supposed to be on camera.
This is
eating.
awkward.
You didn't care when you were eating the spicy noodles.
Oh my god, why is she trying to put me on the spot? That's why you lost the point.
No, that's why you're hiding your face.
Alright, your turn.
Go, Carla, your question.
So does
Needs
no one have
points.
points right now?
No, we'll go to 2 points.
Jesus, yeah.
I
First
thought
one
we
to
were
get a
gonna-
point
First
wins.
person to a point.
Okay. No, because then if they get it right now, they win, and we didn't get a chance to.
No, we get
Nope,
a
Carla already
rebuttal.
said it.
Okay, a rebuttal.
That's
No,
how it
it's
works?
fine. Yeah, then we get a.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Ask. You gotta ask me though.
Okay, yeah. Why? Because I know Jayla?
Oh, because she answered last time.
Okay, yeah. So it's you question for Jayla?
Yeah,
I'm answering
for
for
Jalen.
whatever
so it's,
question you have for
So
Jayla.
it's like, does Jalen have a boyfriend? And then he answers yes.
Okay.
That's the. Ooh, I just know.
It's okay. It's okay. I got a boyfriend. It's fine.
I can't think.
What's
this
her
fast.
favorite color?
No, that's lame.
Yeah, he doesn't.
I already
know
asked it.
It. Yeah, but he doesn't know it. That's what he's saying.
It doesn't
That.
matter if I know it or not. I already asked it.
How many pairs of shoes does Jayla have?
Ooh.
Girl, what
She
about
doesn't even know how many pairs of shoes she has. Next
Oh,
question.
actually, just answer the question.
No, don't get cheated.
I know, that's really what it
Yeah,
could
she
be.
has too many because they're just
That's what I'm
lost
saying.
everywhere.
She doesn't know how
Okay,
many.
okay.
That could have been an easy point. Why would you fumble the bag like that?
I want to know. I want to answer the right.
I already said the favorite color.
What was Jayla's best friend's name in elementary school? Do you
Oh,
know?
I don't even know.
Jayla, why don't you know
She
yourself?
doesn't know anything.
Well, not
how many
not
times has
in
she cut
in elementary school.
Like leaving elementary school.
5th grade?
I have one. Girl,
Nope.
you
How
gotta
many
change
times
it.
I
has
wouldn't know.
How many times has she cut her hair since it's been short? She says it all the time.
I definitely don't.
Yeah, you do.
Does Antonio really listen though?
Exactly.
I mean, that's the whole point of this thing.
I didn't know you cut your hair.
She cut it short once, and then
Really?
she's cut it up.
Yeah, they cut it all off.
She cut it again.
Multiple
3,
times.
4. Just kidding.
Ew!
4.
No.
Why is that funny?
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's not the answer. I cut it like 5 times.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's just
5 and a
one
half.
time. Point for us.
We're never gonna
That's
get.
not
We're never gonna
right.
get to San Francisco.
How is that a
Okay,
boing?
let's
Oh
go.
no! Oh yeah, we have to get it right. Okay.
You lose a point
Go.
for that.
Yeah, yeah.
Negatives.
No, I
Who says
forgot.
boing? That's not the. That's not the sound.
That's what
point
Antonio did.
mix.
He went boing. Then a point popped up.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
Don't try to make.
Next. About me. Go. Carla's gonna get it right.
Oh, really?
Not my question.
Oh, Oh, what specifically?
Okay.
Oh, where specifically does Kim want to work? Like, where would her dream job's location be?
What do you mean by location? Like
Like
actual
the
city?
area
The
and
dream where she would settle down. Yeah. Where
A
exactly?
state?
Sure.
You won't know this.
Yeah.
I
She.
don't.
We literally just talked about this. That's why she knows it.
Washington.
State or DC?
DC?
Yeah,
No.
yeah, she got it right. Because FBI headquarters, well, not headquarters, but like they have a bigger.
No, it's the other
FBI.
Washington.
Language.
Yeah, we got it. Woo, we win. What? Yeah. Winners. Okay, we're gonna end it right here because it's actually been 14 minutes.
Bye.
Bye. We're gonna keep going on our road trip.